Folks, here's a story all across the valley. This picture from Santa Rosa. Deep water continues to be a problem there, as it is in many areas. A lot of the roads have been closed. Some have reopened since, but it is just a mess there and all across the area. This is not supposed to be a lake. This is just a backyard to field, and it's messy. Now, this is the radar. This is the good news. There is nothing in the valley on radar right now. It is about as quiet as it can be, the quietest it's been since early in the week and really over the weekend. The whole valley still under a flash flood watch until 5 a.m. That means the conditions are favorable for the development of flash flooding. It just takes a little bit of rain now, and that would cause the problem. These two areas are under flood warnings now. The one for western Cameron County, southeast Hidalgo County, that's in effect until 1:30 in the morning. Okay, and that means flooding is imminent or already occurring. In most of these places, it's already occurring. The other flood warning, this is the newer one. This is the one from today's rain. That's in effect until 4:30 in the morning, and that's everything from about Alamo back to about La Jolla, then up through Edinburg. Most of Edinburg included in that. Many areas there flooding as well, so the warning means imminent or already occurring, and because there's no new rain right now, it is already occurring. Let's push back a little bit and see if we can find some more rain. Unfortunately, there's nothing anywhere nearby. The upper system's pushing back to the west, but the southerly wind on this side of the system could very easily tap into tropical moisture and bring it in, and that's why the National Weather Service is keeping that watch in effect until 5 a.m. because there is still the chance that we could see another push of rain come into the region. Now, this is where rain has fallen. In the next half hour, we'll go into more detail on how much rain people have picked up across the valley, but biggest totals from last night and today out in western Hidalgo County from Mission all the way up through McCook and then up to about San Isidro and La Reforma. Again, we'll give you the exact totals in just a bit, but this is what Doppler's estimating: 6 to 8 inches, some places getting more than that, and that all falling again since we last spoke yesterday, most of it falling in the early morning hours, and that much rain in that short a period of time obviously is going to lead to flooding no matter how good your drainage system is. This is what it looks like on your satellite, and again, we're overcast. We had some breaks for a time this afternoon, sky brightening for a time. That's not necessarily good because that destabilizes the atmosphere just a little bit. You really don't want a brightening sky until this thing gets out of here, and it is working its way out. See the spin of the clouds back here? That's where the upper air storm is. Yesterday it was here, now it's moving back into Mexico, and as it pulls away, then our rain chances go down. But first we got to get this last surge of moisture from the south out of here. Future track suggests we're seeing rain now. We're not, so you can eliminate all that stuff. So I think most of the night is relatively quiet, but could we see another shower or thunderstorm? Yes, we could. Not a done deal, but we could. But by tomorrow, it's gone. Tomorrow morning, we're back to partly sunny skies. It stays that way most of the day. Tomorrow evening, for the most part, clear. We go into Saturday. It looks like a nice day. The weekend looks terrific, which is good. We need that. And of course, with sunshine, temperatures are going to warm back up. Models hint it may be a shower on Sunday. The sea breeze might try to activate, just a slight chance. This is what the model's predicting for through tomorrow, 1 o'clock. But you remember when it showed all that rain on top of us right now? That's what a lot of this is, and there is no rain on top of us right now. So I think that would be an extreme amount, but the potential is still there. But the next 3 days after tonight, we're dry, dry, dry. All the way into Sunday with maybe a sea breeze shower on Sunday, a better chance on Monday and Tuesday. These are the current temperatures, still staying relatively cool because of the rain. Tomorrow, look at this, back in the 90s, there's the key word, dry. We haven't used that word in the forecast for a few days now. So for tonight, flash flood watch until 5 a.m. Still the possibility of a shower or thunderstorm moving across the valley, and if it does, it could produce a couple of inches of rain in a hurry, and that could lead to flooding. Then tomorrow, it's out of here. We're partly sunny and dry. Your high tomorrow is back up to 94 degrees. 95 on Saturday and Sunday, and we're optimistic in these highs getting that warm. Awful lot of moisture out there. We might have trouble getting quite that warm, but we'll be close. And then early next week, straight a spotty shower or a thunderstorm, about a 20% chance of rain early next week. By the end of the week, we should dry out once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.